skills and knowledge are the driving forces of economic growth and social development. Government of Karnataka has identified and addressed the huge gap between global industries and skilled manpower. This initiative has led to the establishment of GTTC, KGTTI and IMCK. The Government Tool Room and Training Center, or GTTC, is a unique technical skill training institute providing industry-oriented diploma and master training programs such as diploma in tool and die making, mechatronics, precision manufacturing, electronics and communication, post-diploma in tool design, CAD/CAM, MTech in tool engineering. Further, GTTC also offers short-term skill training programs for upskilling of professionals and MTech students. GTTC is also a state-of-the-art manufacturing, consultancy and R&D center with core expertise in manufacturing of press tools for sheet metal, plastic injection molds, pressure die casting dies for metals, and jigs and fixtures. GTTC manufactures high-precision components and sub-assemblies for aerospace and defense organizations like Indian Space Research Organization, Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, Aeronautical Development Agency, Aeronautical Development Establishment, Vikram Sarabhai Space Center, and other such premier organizations. Further, GTTC has established centers of excellence in international collaboration with Siemens, Dassault, and PTC.
When we are looking at the space in Karnataka, we realized the institutes which would be of eminence would be GTTC, because the government tool rooms cater to the dual education system where 50% of the theory is imparted and 50% of the practicals has been done in the same course which the student is carrying out, which is very close to the dual VT program which Siemens carries out globally.
GTTC's mastery and quality of manufacturing has enabled the production of niche critical components. For LCA, Light Combat Aircraft Tejas, it produces the following components: fire extinguisher bottle, hydraulic and fuel system line replacement units, gimbal assembly with venturi and gimbal joints, flow switch assembly and aircraft mounted accessories gearbox, mid-air fuel probe, for Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, camera mounting fixture, and for ISRO, Lunar Rover wheel component for Lunar mission Chandrayaan-2.
We are associated with GTTC from past 3 decades. The quality of products which are made in GTTC is the highest standard. GTTC has supported light combat aircraft, GTTC has supported BrahMos missile, GTTC has supported all the programs like GTTC, HTT-40, which are the indigenous programs which are required for the backbone of defense industry.
Government Tool Room Training Center provides a good platform and the right exposure to the students. It has the state-of-the-art facilities with the high-end equipment and machinery for tool making. It has got experienced faculty members. Besides, it has got the guest faculty members coming from industry, and blend of all of these things really helps students to get the needed exposure and make themselves industry ready.
The Karnataka German Technical Training Institute, or KGTTI, is a Government of Karnataka established society with the technical support of German International Services, with a mission of creating quality skilled manpower. In close association with the industry, KGTTI has set up the most sophisticated training center specialized in skill training programs. This benchmark training center conducts a broad-based multidisciplinary vocational training in 7 core industrial technical platforms, spearheading towards the development of skills and expertise required for the global industry needs. The International Migration Center Karnataka or IMCK, is an apex institution that makes the process of migration of skilled manpower from Karnataka simple, efficient, orderly, socially responsive, and humane.
The truly unique feature of the International Migration Center Karnataka is that it follows a life cycle approach to migration, skills, and livelihoods. It's aimed at helping not just technically trained and scientifically qualified people to obtain jobs which are competitive in the rest of the world, but more important, is going to enable employers, foreign employers, to be able to source the best human resources that they can find globally.
If you are looking for a reliable partner for manufacturing, R&D, reverse engineering, skilling and sourcing of the best industry-ready manpower, the obvious choice is Karnataka, the knowledge capital of Asia. Karnataka, empowering lives.